Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fadi Hidranti. I'm from PPI Klasi 2024. My student's ID number 240411000093. So today I will read the text about medicine men and modern doctors. In most urban and suburban areas throughout the world, sick people are taken into doctor's office or to a hospital for treatment. But among tribal and village people in many countries, patients are taken instead to a local medicine man. This medicine man is a combination of a doctor, priest, and psychologist. Some of his folk methods are similar to those of an urban doctor, but most are very much different. The difference in mine is viewed as something natural. It is caused by virus, bacteria, thrush. In much of the world, disease is considered to be something supernatural. But supernatural, in other words, sickness is not caused by something physical, but instead is the result of deep anger. Broken religious laws, have the hatred of enemies, and so on. An urban physician knows how to treat a specific disease. A medicine man, however, treats the whole person and often the patient, family, and friends as well. Prevention of disease. Of course, there may be some need for treatment. If people know how to take care of themselves to prevent sickness, a modern physician might tell his patient what to eat, how much to exercise, when, and how to relax, and the like. A medicine man, on the other hand, tell his patient to wear amulets, special necklace for protection against bad spirit. Nevertheless, in both village and urban societies, people do become ill and sometimes need medical help. The diagnosis, the first step in any treatment, of course, is the diagnosis. The doctor or the medicine man has to find out why the patient is ill and decide what to do about it. For the diagnosis, both ask about symptoms. Is the patient complaining about headache, stomach ache, insomnia, skin rash? But the similarity in methods ends there. The doctor next step is to give blood tests, take X-ray, and etc. While the medicine man involves supernatural methods, he might ask the patient about his dreams, use astrology to find the cause of the problem in the star, or go into a trance or a condition of deep concentration in which he doesn't function normally, in an effort to contact spirit or other being outside the world. The cure. After the diagnosis comes the cure. In modern medicine, the solution usually means one or more of the following. The same methods that are used for prevention: helpful food, rest, exercise, perhaps warm baths or massage, drugs, or surgery. Likewise, folk medicine includes some of the same cures as in the diagnosis. However, in a medicine man also uses a wide variety of supernatural methods in his cures. Two of the most common are exorcism and soul hunts. Exorcism is based on the belief that disease is caused by bad spirits. Thus is an exorcism ceremony. The medicine man performs a number of traditional activities to take the evil beings out of the victim's body. Songs, dance, and religious prayers are part of any exorcism, and soul hunts include them as well. In these ceremonies, the medicine man tries to persuade the victim souls which are believed to have left their bodies to return. A typical tribal ceremony. The Boer people of Central Africa believe that illness is often the result of the anger of a relative, friend, or enemy. This emotion, they say, causes a tooth to enter the body of the person who is the target of the anger and to create disease. When the medicine man decides which body part contains the evil tooth, he calls together the victim relative and friends to watch a ceremony, at the end of which he removes it from the patient, throat, arm, leg, stomach, etc. Although the patient and the villagers know what has happened, that the tooth has been hiding inside the medicine man's mouth the whole time. The patient is often cured. The Ndabu ceremony is typical of treatment around the world, in which stone, insects, or small spear are taken out of sick people. Despite scientific evidence that disproves the effectiveness of such methods, the fact remains that the treatments are often successful, and many villagers prefer to be cured in this way than by a modern physician. The success of medicine man. Scientists ask how medicine men can actually be successful in their treatment and why they are so popular. The answer probably lie in a combination of the following reasons. First, supernatural ceremonies are symbolic, and the people who participate in them believe deeply in the symbols. Even Western physicians agree that patient with the same faith believe in God. Their doctors, the drug they take, image, or symbols will regain their health faster than patients with little hope. Second, ceremonies may be effective because people come together for about the cure. In addition, this communal meeting provides socially acceptable opportunities for the people of the village to express what they feel. Social and psychological problems can be solved along with the physical one of the sick person. Fourth, scientists theorize that the trance part of the ceremonies produce certain chemicals in the body, which then work to help cure the disease. Finally, many of the medicine man's natural drugs, which come from a nearby forest, jungle, or desert, have been found to be medically effective. Scientists are fascinated by what they learn from the methods of tribal medicine men. Thank you.